Do you know that in North Carolina, a business or even a social host could be held responsible for injuries caused by an intoxicated person they served alcohol to? Whether it's a drunk driving crash, an assault, or another alcohol-related incident, dram shop laws play a crucial role in determining who can be held liable. These laws exist to protect victims and hold establishments accountable when they overserve alcohol to someone who is visibly intoxicated or underage. Hi, I'm Auger with Auger Auger, a family-run law firm serving North Carolina for over 30 years. Today we're talking about North Carolina dram shop laws, how they work, who can be held responsible, and why having an experienced attorney is essential when seeking justice in these cases. Under North Carolina General Statutes 18B 305, it is illegal for a bar, restaurant, or alcohol-serving establishment to sell or provide alcohol to an intoxicated person. If they do, and that individual later causes an accident, injury, or death, the business could be held legally responsible for the damages. This law also applies to selling or serving alcohol to someone under the legal drinking age of 21. For example, if a bar knowingly serves alcohol to someone who is already visibly drunk and that person leaves the bar, gets behind the wheel, and causes a serious accident, the victims of that crash may have a legal claim against the bar in addition to the drunk driver. This is known as a dram shop liability case, where an alcohol provider can be held financially accountable for the harm caused by an intoxicated individual. Beyond businesses, social hosts, that's people who serve alcohol at private events, can also be held responsible for serving alcohol to a visibly intoxicated guest or for providing alcohol to a minor who then causes an accident or injury. For example, if an adult throws a party and knowingly serves alcohol to a visibly intoxicated guest or an underage guest, and that guest later causes harm to someone else, the host could be held liable under the social host liability laws. Because North Carolina has complex legal restrictions on dram shop claims, having a skilled lawyer is critical in pursuing these cases. At Auger Auger, we conduct a thorough investigation to determine where the alcohol was served, whether the person was visibly intoxicated, and whether North Carolina's dram shop laws apply. We obtain surveillance footage, speak with witnesses, and analyze alcohol sales records to build the strongest case possible. We also handle negotiations with insurance companies, bars, restaurants, and social hosts to ensure victims get the compensation they deserve. If your loved one has been injured in an accident involving a drunk driver, it is crucial to act quickly. Dram shop cases have strict legal deadlines, and evidence can disappear fast. Seeking medical attention immediately, document any details about the intoxicated individual and where they were drinking, and contact an experienced North Carolina personal injury lawyer right away. At Auger Auger, we have over 30 years of experience fighting for injury victims in alcohol-related accidents. We know how to navigate North Carolina's complex dram shop laws and hold negligent parties accountable. And with our A&A zero-fee guarantee, you don't pay anything until we win your case. If your loved one has been harmed due to an alcohol-related accident, call us today or visit our website to schedule your free, no-obligation consultation. Let us fight for the justice and compensation you deserve.